If you want to stop those annoying pop-up windows from flashing on your screen while still keeping the in-game social features active, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to disable overlay-style notifications on Epic Games by turning off the desktop alerts that most people find distracting. This is a quick and easy fix, and it only takes a minute or two to do. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple gaming tips and software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Epic Games launcher on your computer. Once it's open, look to the top right corner of the launcher and click your profile icon. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you into the launcher settings, where you can manage different notification options and preferences. Now scroll down until you find the Desktop Notifications section. This is the area where Epic Games controls the alerts that pop up on your desktop, including promotional messages and free game announcements. In this section, you'll see a few checkboxes. To reduce the pop-ups on your screen, uncheck the box for Show Free Game Notifications. Then uncheck the box for Show Store Sale Notifications. These are the main alerts that usually appear and interrupt what you're doing, especially if you're gaming, streaming, or just trying to focus. Once both boxes are turned off, you can simply close the settings panel. Your changes should apply right away, so you should notice fewer distracting notifications from Epic Games going forward. This is a great way to keep the launcher installed and still enjoy the features you actually need without the constant interruption of promotional pop-ups. And just to be clear, this does not remove your account, and it does not break your launcher. It simply turns off the desktop notification prompts that many users want to disable. If you ever want them back later, you can always return to the same settings menu and turn the checkboxes back on. So now you know how to disable those Epic Games pop-up notifications quickly and easily. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.